and today we're going to be brewing the Guatemala La Perla Negra on the Aeropress. And that's how you tear out coffee.
First, you're going to want to find a strong mug that you can press onto. Then disassemble your Aeropress and put your filter into the basket. Then rinse your filter with hot or cold water and then place it back into your Aeropress. Then we're going to want to preheat our water anywhere between 200 and 204 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to add about 16 grams of finely ground coffee to our brewer. And when the water is ready, we'll bloom the coffee with 32 grams of water for 30 seconds. Once our bloom is finished, we'll fill the brewer really quickly until we reach 240 grams. Then take either a spoon or your Aeropress paddle that you didn't lose and stir 5 times. Then lock the plunger into your brewer and remove your mug and brewer from your scale. Then let your coffee steep for about another minute or so until you reach your final brew time of 2.5 minutes. Then when your time is up, slowly plunge the coffee until you hear a hissing noise like so. And when you're done brewing on your Aeropress, you'll have a very delicious cup of coffee that'll help you press on throughout your day.